Okay, look. If I laugh, hang up. Sing it.
I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows, so I've been told. What is that face, bro?
Aww. So cute. So cute. Damn.
Please, Speed, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless.
Speed, I'm watching the stream while you try not to laugh, bro. That's disrespectful.
Want a break from the ads?
I can't.
Want a break from the ads? Want a break from the ads?